Okay, so we're back with you. And first, you're going to hear now a presentation on the competency assessment tool for POEM, the PPAT, and then you will hear something on how to resolve a gamma loop, and then you will have the two POEM procedures back to back. So first, I'll invite Lynn to give her presentation on a PPAT. I'll start it for you.
Yeah, so this is going to be a very short presentation about PPAT. David previously explained the assessment tools. We saw a little bit of the GPAT already, and in the afternoon we will do two POEM cases where we then will introduce the PPAT.